Thank you very much. All right, so hello everybody and good morning to you all. My name is Lubomir and together with Jakub, we'd like to introduce to you our data project called Autorewards system. What's needed to be said right at the beginning is that we have created this project for a company called Network, so it suits their needs perfectly. But it doesn't mean that our solution wouldn't be applicable in other companies as well. Very shortly about Network, it's a small IT company which develops customized business applications. 2 months ago, when we met for the first time with Tomáš, the CEO of Network, he came up to us and told us, "Hey guys, I'd like to motivate and reward my employees for their hard work." And it was our job to come up with a solution on how to do it. So we have faced a tough question, and I'd like to ask you as well. Have you ever wondered what motivates employees? Or especially the ones who work in IT? Well, we didn't know, so we have created a questionnaire which we sent to Network and gathered answers from their employees.
We have selected for you the top 3 most frequent answers for a simple question. What would motivate you as a Network employee? So let's start with the first motivator on third place, which was team building activities. As we have already said, Network is a small company, so connections between their employees are very, very strong. Moving on to the second placed motivator, which is work-life balance. This work-life balance refers to an option or possibility of employees to work from their home office or to get more vacation days. Well, the summer has already started, and we all know that we would like to go on some holiday trip with our loved ones, right? And now, I have one more question for you. What do you think is going to be on the first place? I suppose you all guess is right. It's money. With significant 91% response rate. Well, it's not a secret that all of us would appreciate a little more extra money in our wallets. So that is not that big surprise as well.
Now, when we knew what motivates employees, we had to find out how to motivate them, how to bring the mentioned rewards to the employees.
So we decided to create the Autorewards system, a real-time motivation system which monitors the job done by employees and rewards them with bonuses accordingly. To be a little bit more specific, this system gives employees points for each of their successfully completed tasks. So it can be seen like a video game, and employee can play this game while working. For their earned points, employees can afterwards choose a reward of their own choice.
Now, let's just take a look at a simple example which will describe how it works. This is Timo. Timo is actually one of the employees in Network and a member of our team as well. Timo is working as usual and he manages to complete the task which was assigned to him. Based on what? He will receive an immediate bonus notification, letting him know that Network actually knows about his hard work and that it's valued as well. As a result, Timo now feels the recognition he deserves, what obviously makes him happy and motivated.
Now, let's take a closer look on what's been happening on Timo's screen throughout the whole process. As we have recently said, Timo manages to complete his task. So he changes the state of the task to closed. Once the task is closed, an instant an instant Microsoft Teams notification pops up. When Timo opens this notification, he will be navigated to a screen which includes detailed information about his daily work progress. Besides that, Network has made an agreement with their nearest restaurant called Upecku about beverage coupons that can be applied by Network employees. So it means if Timo will fulfill his daily quota, he will get a chance to choose and enjoy one free beverage based on his own preferences. To be honest, I already know what Timo is going to choose, but I don't think so it will affect his work performance.
Besides that, the biggest surprise will come at the end of each month with monthly bonus alert. Here, the employees will be able to see the overall evaluation of the month. If we take a closer look, we will be able to see a table which contains number of points earned for each task. These points are achieved by completing the task sooner than it was estimated. What's also very important to note is that these estimated times are chosen by the employees themselves, which are then approved by their project managers. If we look a little lower, we will see the option to choose a specific bonus, including, for example, stocks of network or paid vacation. On top of that, Timo will also have the option to click on button Show Details, which will open a dashboard containing all the useful information Timo needs about his performance, including, for example, total amount of points earned, as well as the line graph showing planned hours compared to actual hours.
Our entire service runs on an architecture that can be seen on this screen. It consists of two main parts, which the first one is Azure and the second one is Power Platform. Our main goal was to collect events from data sources that normally do not provide with a direct connection and update our data in our real-time database accordingly. Furthermore, our architecture offers us a possibility and flexibility to adapt and customize our application so it can be used in any other IT company, which makes it a scalable solution.
To sum everything up, what our solution provides is transparent bonus distribution as well as real-time notifications, the option to choose a specific bonus, personalized dashboards for each employee, and lastly but not least, adaptive architecture, meaning that our solution can be used in other companies as well.
And that will be all from us. Thank you very much for your attention, for your time, and feel free to ask us, or especially Timo, whatever questions you have. Thanks.
Thank you very much, and we have a time for questions, either from a jury, either from your classmates, either from myself. Okay, any questions in the beginning? So, my question is, how did you validate your concept with the management of the company?
We've been in very close contact with the management. We had calls almost every week, I would say, and they really liked it. And we are also in a testing phase now with selected employees, and they also say they really like it and they can't wait when it's all finished.
Okay, and they are testing the beer, coffee, lemonade variant, or?
Mostly beer, but also the other beverages.
Okay, who decides on which task will be the one which will be awarded by the bonus? Or is it any task, so it means any time I will do the commit, I will get a beer? or lemonade or coffee?
Tasks that are evaluated, that's from deliver projects, so that are paid from customers.
Okay, so internal tasks are not evaluated.
Not yet, but it will be in the future.
Okay, and the last option I have seen, these are the made-up numbers, of course, that you can get a 0.3 of stocks of the network company per month. I think it would end up in a handover of the company to its employees in 10 months or something like that. Am I right?
There are some limits, but that's everything that's called optional stock program that came from West world, and it's something new that a lot of companies try to implement this methodology in their companies, and it's not like real stocks, it's virtual stocks, and it works a little bit different.
Excellent.
Thank you.